In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a rotated photo to a community in WhatsApp Web. This is a handy trick if you find that the orientation of your photo isn't quite right and you want to ensure it looks perfect before sharing it with your community. Let's go through each step carefully so you can follow along without any confusion. First, we need to access WhatsApp Web. Open your preferred web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet as well, and scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your mobile app to sync your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your messages and media right from your computer screen. Now, when you're on the main screen of WhatsApp Web, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see various options. What you want to do here is click on Communities. This option is typically located among other menu icons, allowing you to access or create community groups and engage with a multitude of people. After clicking on Communities, another list will appear with your existing community chats. Choose the community you want to interact with by clicking on it. This will open up the chat window for that specific community. In your chat window, look for a small plus icon, usually located near the bottom of the screen alongside the text input field. Clicking this button will reveal several media sharing options. Here, you want to select photos and videos. This step allows you to upload media content from your computer to the chat, which is great for sharing moments with your community members. A file browser window from your computer will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your files. Carefully select the photo you want to send. Once your file is chosen, WhatsApp Web will generate a preview of the photo before you officially send it. Now take note of the option at the top of the screen that says crop and rotate. You'll want to click this to open a set of editing tools. This feature is essential for making quick adjustments to your photos without the need for external applications. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find arrows that provide a rotating function. Use these to adjust the orientation of your photo to your liking. Make sure the photo looks just the way you want it to appear on your community feed. Finally, after you're satisfied with the rotation and overall look of your photo, find the Send button. Click it to share the perfectly adjusted photo with your community. And there you have it, an effortless way to send rotated photos in WhatsApp Web. I hope this guide has been useful in helping you make the most out of your WhatsApp Web experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy sharing.